Mukulu tasobia. Blah blah blah. Tatawo tasobia. Who said? Who said? Who said that? Kantu Nambi said that. That's why we're still doing that. You know what I'm saying? It doesn't even make sense at all. It does not make sense. It's not even this generation. It's just generally. Who said that Mukulu tasobia? Do you know how many times I've heard that? Oh, respect your grandparents, blah blah blah. Give due respect. Yo, wake up. It's 2025. We're going into 2025. Respect is earned, not given. There's never once, bro. Let me not even say that on here, bro. But look, right and wrong has no age. It's either right or wrong. They're not gonna be like, oh, he was wrong, but he's 10 years older than the guy that was right, so that means he's right. Between me and her, who's more disrespectful? Who's worse? You know what I'm saying? Like, who's worse? By the time she has to drop to me, a young bro, I haven't even reached 20 yet. I'm still in the teens. Correct me if I'm wrong, but who's worse? You know what I'm saying? Imagine, bro. It's honestly embarrassing. Is laughable. I'm not even mad. It's honestly funny. And I hope she sees what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying? I'm not scared of her. I'm in America. What the hell? Like what? It's bro, it's honestly sad and very funny. Is she these are the exactly the people like I put out a message respectfully, you know what I'm saying? I call for help towards a cause. You know what I'm saying? I call for help towards a cause, but for some reason, oh, I'm the bad guy because all of a sudden, oh, uh, Abba disrespected Tatawe. He disrespected his dad. Yada 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 yada. You know what I'm saying? If anybody goes and watches my videos, both of them, back and forth, I never once caught on my dad about anything that is disrespectful. I caught out a real cause, and I even explicitly said that this is a problem bigger than my dad himself. My dad's not the only person struggling with such issues. You know what I'm saying? There's so many people out there, and this is a cause for everybody, not just my dad, but uneducated people like this. You know what I'm saying? Imagine there's kids. Bro, there's kids that watch her. There's kids that watch her. These are the people that are inspiring the younger generation that's gonna lead Uganda the next, like tomorrow. Imagine this is the message she has to say on live television. She, her, and whoever hired her to be on TV both need to be fired. Both of them need to be fired. That's the truth. It's honestly shocking. It's so shocking. Wow.
Abba kiwumba tutudugwo kyanaggwe naawe gwe mukazi gwe Daniela nze sivangayo kwambala naye oli musiru togenda kufunayo taata wa Abba mulala nawe ki Abba togenda kufunayo kitaawe mulala atali Chameleon embwaggwe
Mbwagwe. Look at his head. Look at his head.
n'osituuka n'okusumikira ebinyo mu jjajja they are evil kyagambye mu jjajja awagula they are evil bwe bagamba
Let me tell you guys something real quick. The quickest way to know people, well, the quickest way to know that someone is not intellectually up there is if they have to yell to deliver their point. Look at how he's yelling. He's just screaming like as if the person that's interviewing him is not right in front of him.
kitaawe mulala atali Chameleon embwaggwe
Look at him.
n'osituuka n'okusumikira ebinyo mu jjajja they are evil kyagambye mu jjajja awagula they are evil bwe bagamba taata bw'alifa tulijeera gwe mbizi gwe Abba oli kyana kitaata enkuzaala
Me busy. Me, Zen busy. Me, I'm the busy. Hey God. I don't even have to say anything. I don't even have to say anything. I know. Look at him. Look at him. I don't have to say nothing. I don't. What? I don't have to say nothing. Look.
asobola nokukuba emiggo wadde oyogera oluzungu lwesitegeera tayiri kika kyo.
See? That's exactly what I'm talking about. Understand that. You know what I'm saying? Thank you so much. So that'll be it for today. Shoot, after Christmas, I guess, good luck. Have a Merry Christmas. Spend time with your family. Spend time with your family. It's quality time. You know? Spend time with your family. Enjoy these moments. You know what I'm saying? If you don't have anybody to spend Christmas with, just know that, you know what I'm saying, you got God. God's still with you at all times. You know what I'm saying? I send love. At the end of the day, listen, this is the final message. At the end of the day, on whoever I spoke on today, no matter how it came out, it comes from a place of love. You know what I'm saying? I don't hold any hate in my heart. You know what I'm saying? All my work and everything that I'm saying to you guys comes from a place of love. You know what I'm saying? I just want what's best for everybody. Now we're gonna respond to my uncle.
Ndisoose n'abuuza taata we Abba yandisoose n'abuuza taata we ki ekikunywesa kibayita omuzungu kyayita circumstances twakula.
Alright guys, I don't want to be disrespectful here because this is my family, right? But we all know something I cannot say. You know what I'm saying? We all know something like that I cannot say. Obviously, he's gonna be what's it called? Defending my dad. You know what I'm saying? We all know something that I must not say. Just know these two people are very similar.
Abba yandisoose n'abuuza taata we ki ekikunywesa kibayita omuzungu kyayita circumstances twakula tuli babebi nga tuli innocent naye why lwaki omuntu atuuka neefumita empiso neyeekuba eddagala nga yeekuba drugs kati
Look. Bro. Okay. Look. Does anybody on earth have a perfect life? Abby Tex. Those are exactly the people I was talking about. I don't care about what Abby Tex has to say. At all. I could care less. I don't even know who he is. Half of these people, I didn't know who they were until they started reacting. I appreciate it. You know what I'm saying? I thank her a lot from the bottom of my heart. You know what I'm saying? I thank her. That's the truth. Where's the videos? Julia gave my dad champagne on the plane. Alright, let me look at the videos. Bro, I don't see no videos, y'all. Look. Let me see if y'all can even see it. I don't see no videos, bro. And so go say he can't allow me to marry his daughters. Who said I want to marry his daughters? Like what? No one's doing me a favor by giving me their daughters. I don't care. I don't care about nobody daughter. He's not the only guy with daughters in this world. Y'all want me to do these streams much more often though? Off topic. For sure. But I need the videos you guys are talking about. And Serico. Exactly. The issues dealing with King Saha and my dad are between them. I don't want to touch on that. That's none of my business. Are y'all gonna send me the videos or no? Once again, I do not have a girlfriend. You know what I'm saying? What is my dream? Let me tell you my dream. My dream is to have a happy family. That's what my dream is. Honest to God. A lot of people overlook how hard it is to have a happy family, you know? You can still be a good dad and a good mom and your family's still not happy. I do need Maz on here. Let me give you Maz. How do I give you Maz? I'll get Maz. If I can't get Maz this stream, I'll get Maz another stream. But yes, that's my, how do I mod you? I think I have to get on my phone to mod you. I'll mod you. But look, my dream is to have a happy family. You know what I'm saying?